Hey guys, if you want to join Team Flashy, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and put on notifications. Thank you.
Hey guys, Flash Kid Supreme here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make an outro. So sorry if my voice sound like this. Like it got normal. I think I just needed to cough. But so on one of my on my latest video, one of my friends and wanted me to tell him how to make an intro. So I'll show you guys how to make an intro. So cue the intro. So yeah, from the beginning you can already know. So the website you have to go to make an intro is called Panzoid. And then you just go to Panzoid. So they have multiple intros and some outros. So then if you like a intro or outro, so let's say we like this intro, or you press this and open and clip maker, and then you want to press the eyeball and the play button to see if you like it, or if you like any of the things. So if you like it, then all you have to do is go to the check thing, and then you have to make so your subscribers don't get mad at you. Make it 9 or 10. So wait, make it 9 or 10. So I'm going to have it be 9, and then whatever your video, how big the video is going to be, it depends right here. Keep the frame rate 30. So then now you're going to press the square, and so you can change everything. If you want to change your name, all you have to do is look at the text, look for the text, and when you see it, just write. So type your name. So say Flash Kid, and then you see it's transforming. So now you have to do name again, and then you have to keep doing it unless they have 2 areas. So I'm about to put Flash Kid again, and perfect, we got Flash Kid. So now you can have the custom font, but I'm not going to miss anything. So, and now you see it says Flash Kid. So when you see that, so when you're done with all the stuff, like you can change the video, the music and stuff, but I might save that for another video, or I may not, like, I don't know. But then you're going to press start video render, and so you're going to let your video download. See you guys when it's done. 6, 5, 4, a few seconds, 2, 1, go. Okay guys, so it's done downloading. So wait, no, I have to render. Oh, I didn't know what render was. So now it's about to start downloading. Okay, there it is. I got confused for a second, guys. Please accept my misunderstanding. Okay, so now it's installed. So now you can watch a video, see what it is. Let's see, photos, no, okay, and then you can see your video. So actually like that intro. I might use that one um for the rest of my things. So that's it for this video, guys. Um, yeah, I have nothing else to say. If you liked it, if you think it was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe it. And if you need any help with intros, outros, anything for YouTube, if you're trying to start a YouTube channel, hit put a comment in the comment section below. And yeah, so see you guys next time. Bye. Oh yeah, bye.